Hi everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing guessing game. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so we are going to play a guess a words game today. So let's get started. Can you recognize what is this A word?
And
Awesome! Now the next one is this.
abacus.
Very good. Now can you guess what is this?
Anteater.
Amazing! What about this one?
Arrow.
What is this?
Avocado.
Amazing! And what about this?
Aquarium.
Very good. Next.
Accordion.
And this one?
Alphabet.
And the next one is very easy.
Apple.
Okay, now this one might be difficult.
Artichoke.
Awesome. Now can you guess this vehicle?
Ambulance.
Very good. Now what is this?
Eggs.
What is this?
Angry.
Okay, can you guess what is this?
Afraid.
What is this?
A corn.
Very good. Now the next one.
Ace.
Amazing, kids. We have learned so many A words together. And you have guessed all the correct alphabets with letters with A. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.